Contamination of soils by heavy metals. The general objective is to spread awareness about the importance and effects of heavy metals on soils and how we can change it and take actions on the matter.
First of all, do you know what heavy metals are? No? Well, heavy metals are naturally occurring elements that have a high atomic weight and a density at least 5 times greater than that of water. These metals cause severe pollution to our soils.
The heavy metals are the following: arsenic, barium, beryllium, cadmium, chromium-6, mercury, nickel, silver, lead, selenium, thallium, and vanadium. What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. On the other hand, what is soil? Soil is a disjointed mineral or organic material on the immediate surface of the earth. It is important because it serves as a natural medium for the growth of land plants.
Types of soil. Sandy soil have the largest and hard particles. They are very low in nutrients.
Salty soils. This kind of finer, smoother in texture than sandy soils. It also holds up nutrients and make it better for crop cultivation.
Clay. The particles that make up clay are the finest. It is very sticky when wet and can be molded into any shape and form. When they dry, they are rock hard.
Loamy. This is a soil mixture of sand, clay, and split particles and has the ability to retain water. It is full of nutrients from decomposed organic material.
Peaty. Contains less nutrients than loamy soils and it retains water very well.
Chalky. Chalky soils are alkaline with a pH of about 70.5. It is free draining because of its coarse and stony nature.
But what causes this damage? The sources which cause contamination of soils by the presence of heavy metals principally are the following 3. Number 1. Agricultural production. Heavy metals are often found in fertilizers which are used by agricultures to complete necessary nutrition for plants and increase their growth. The intensive usage of harmful fertilizers can lead to an accumulation of toxic components in soils, which can have a negative consequence on the soil fertility and its quality.
Number 2. Industrial production. Oftentimes, factories don't dispose their industrial waste properly. As a result, heavy metals get released into the environment and contaminate our soils, which becomes unusable and unfertile. Number 3. Dumps. Dumps and areas around them have a high toxicity level. Through waste combustion, the heavy metal cadmium is able to reach the soil and can be accumulated in plants and in human organisms.
So, what is Mexico doing to prevent this kind of pollution? In Mexico, pollution of soils by heavy metals is a big problem because of an overproduction. It is established that damages caused by the heavy metals cannot be completely deleted, but there is a proposition to eradicate these contaminants. The use of vegetable species to remove the heavy metals from the soil.
Now, there are also regulations to prevent this. There is a general law for prevention and integral management of waste, which establishes that the maximum permissible soil contamination limits for arsenic, barium, beryllium, cadmium, chromium-6, mercury, nickel, silver, lead, selenium, thallium, and vanadium. When detected levels of metals exceed established limits, the site is contaminated and requires remediation.
It was created in order to achieve the following goals: permanently reduce the contaminant concentration, reduce contaminant bioavailability, solubility, or both, avoid contaminant dispersion in the environment, establish institutional controls.
Till the moment, the pollution of these metals has not been taken seriously, and that's why the measures to eradicate this pollution caused by the metals are not that common in Mexico. These remediations are very important because they can decrease the pollution levels and help improve human health, as heavy metal pollution can affect the environment and its production.
Our personal proposal is that we should be more aware about the damage on the soil because of our activities, and also we should be aware about the consequences this can have in our lives, as well as in our health. Our national proposal is that Mexico should create more strict laws that prohibit to factories to throw chemical or any type of wastes into natural areas, and also should invest money on creating specific and safe areas where those wastes can be without causing damages, and later on find a way to treat those areas and eliminate the chemical wastes like the ones of heavy metals. And finally, our international proposal is that we should establish a campaign or an official worldwide program that has laws and other ideas to help with this problem in each country. And also that program has to be in charge of making sure that the laws are being accomplished by the ones who are involved.